Question 9a. Customers have three options at this cafe. So they can buy only a sandwich, only a cake, or both a sandwich and a cake. So the probability that a customer buys a sandwich, 0.72, and the probability they buy a cake is 0.45. And for part one, we need to find what is the probability they'll buy both a sandwich and a cake. So we can represent this on a Venn diagram, which I'll just bring up now. Okay, so we've got S for sandwich, C for cake, and we want to find the intersection of these two sets, and we don't know what that is yet, so we'll just call it X. But we do know then that this region in here is going to be 0.72 minus X, and then this part here is going to be 0.45 minus X. So if we just add all those up and set them equal to 1, then we can solve for X. So we'll write out that equation then. So we're going to have 0.72 plus 0.45, and then we've got minus X plus X minus X, so just minus X, and set that equal to 1, because the sum of all the probabilities is going to equal 1, and then just rearranging to find X. So we're going to get X is equal to 0.72 plus 0.45 minus 1, and working that out, we get X is equal to 0.17. So that's the answer for A, part 1. So that's one way of thinking about it. Another way is we could write it out like this, and we're looking for the probability of S union C, and we know that that's going to be equal to the probability of S plus the probability of C minus the intersection. So minus the probability of S intersect C, and that is going to equal to 1. And then we just plug in our numbers again. So we'd have 0.72 plus 0.45, and this is what we're trying to find out, the intersection here. So the probability of S intersect C, set that equal to 1, and then we just get the same answer as before, which is what we'd hope, obviously. So we get the probability of S intersect C is going to be equal to 0.17. Okay, so now that we've got that, so now our X then is equal to, X is equal to 0.17. So now we're looking for, so 9a part 2, the probability they buy only a sandwich. So it's this area in yellow over here. So that is just going to be 0.72 minus X, and X was 0.17. So we're going to get 0.72 minus 0.17, and that's going to equal 0.55. Okay, and that is question 9a.